Hi guys, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita right here in my kitchen. Today you're for a treat, guys. I am going to show you how I make my salted eggs. So, come on, cook with Tita. Our ingredients are duck eggs, okay, and then regular eggs. You need a jar, big enough jar to hold your 24 pieces of eggs, glass jar, as long as is a food grade. Okay, guys, as we speak right now, I have 6 cups of water boiling. With that 6 cups of water, we need salt. Don't use the one with the iodine, okay? Use either regular salt or sea salt, okay? Now, cooking wine, I don't know how to pronounce that. So, this is Chinese rice cooking wine, okay? You can buy this in any Oriental store. We need 3 tablespoons of that. Right here, we have 4 pieces of bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorn. Now, I have over here, this is optional, this cloves. If you don't have it on your spice cabinet, you don't have to have this, as long as you have the bay leaves, peppercorn. Okay, guys? So I have 7 pieces, guys. Okay, no more than that, because cloves, a little of this goes a long way. So now, over here, I have anise star. This also optional, as long as you have this bay leaf and peppercorn. Right now, we're going to let this spices boiled with the water, okay? Okay, our water start boiling, but I don't know if I told you guys that to put your spices in there before the water boil, so that you would extract the property, like the oil, oh my gosh. Okay, now it's boiling, okay? It's boiling. So what we're gonna do, I don't know if I told you guys about my salt. 6 cup of water, 1.5 cup of salt. For every 4 cups of water, it's 1 cup of salt. So I have 6 cup of water, so I have 1.5 cup of salt, okay? Alright, so let's put the salt in here. Okay, be careful, guys. We're gonna dissolve the salt, okay? When the salt dissolved, turn off your water, okay? We're gonna stir it until the salt dissolved into the water. Maybe 1.5 to 2 minutes, guys. So now I can feel in the bottom of my pot that the salt is starting to melt. So anyway, it's dissolved, guys. Oh, the aroma, guys. Let me tell you, the aroma, it's so divine. Okay, so we're gonna turn it off, guys, and let it cool off. Okay, guys? Our liquid is completely cool off, and also our eggs are in this jar. We put them in there first before we're gonna put our liquid in there. You should put your eggs in there first, and then now here comes the purpose of our Ziploc. Okay, we're gonna put water in here, just that much. Be sure that this Ziploc doesn't have any holes. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put this here inside first, okay? The purpose of that, guys, is to hold the eggs down while we're putting the liquid in there, because if you don't do this, guys, when you put the liquid in there, the eggs would rise. It's gonna crack because they're gonna bump into each other. Put that in there, okay, and then we're gonna slowly put that in there, okay, slowly, everything like that. See, it holds it down. Just scoop everything in there, okay, everything like that. All right, okay. Now this cooking wine, I told you about this already, right? Okay, I don't know how to pronounce that thing, but rice cooking wine. Can you see the name? Okay, so we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of this thing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, close it. Okay, so I would put a notepad in there, or a stick on pad with the date today. Now, this procedure would take 3 to 4 weeks. Lightly salted. Now, it depends upon you how salted you wanted it to be. So, in that 3 to 4 weeks, you may want to take 1 egg and boil it and see that's how you wanted it to be. The more you leave it there, the saltier it would get. That's how you do it. I like to show you the final products of the salted eggs, okay? 1 month now since we salted our eggs, right? So now this is the final products. So what I did, I boiled these eggs. I covered the eggs with the water, wait until it boils, and then turn the heat down just to rolling boiled, okay? Not vigorously, okay? So that the eggs won't crack. You have to boil it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, shut off your heat and let it cool off. And then take the eggs out. Okay, now what I did here, the reason why they're red, because to separate between salted eggs and the regular eggs. Okay, now you can use beets, you know, the vegetable beets, the juice. Okay, after you boiled the eggs, you can soak the boiled eggs on the juice. If you remember, we did 1 dozen of chicken eggs and 1 dozen of duck eggs. Okay, so here's the result. So this is after we boiled, of course. So this is the chicken eggs. That's the chicken eggs, and this is the duck eggs. Okay, so let me see again. Let's do one more duck. Yeah, I just do that, right, like that. Okay, see that? It is. Let me tell you, the aroma, oh my gosh, so delightful. In the next video, I am going to show you how to make, they call it tomato cilantro salad. Okay, so I hope you like my recipe, guys. All right, and I'll show you how to use this, okay, until you cook with Tita again, right here in my kitchen. And like I always say, bon appetit. Bye.